Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, traction control, OnStar, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, running boards, all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, dual airbags. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.